To drive traffic to your Shopify store effectively, consider the following strategies. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords in product descriptions, titles, and meta tags. Create valuable content, such as blog posts and product guides, to attract organic traffic. Content marketing. Produce engaging content, including blog posts, videos, and infographics to educate and entertain your audience. Share your content on social media platforms and collaborate with influencers to reach a broader audience. Social media marketing. Build a strong presence on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Create visually appealing posts, run targeted ads, and engage with your audience to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters, product updates, and promotions to your subscribers. Personalize your email based on customer preferences and behavior to increase engagement and conversions. Paid advertising. Invest in pay-per-click advertising on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to target potential customers actively searching for your products. Use retargeting ads to re-engage visitors who have previously visited your store. Collaborations and partnerships. Partner with influencers, bloggers, and complementary brands to reach new audiences and drive traffic to your Shopify store through collaborations and cross-promotions. Optimize website performance. Ensure your website loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and provides a seamless user experience to keep visitors engaged and encourage them to explore further.